Cleave moment going. Welcome to my channel. Like she's giving rich man. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. My mom just invited me to go shopping, so we're going shopping. This is going to the Pearland outlets, not the Galleria. This is the look. This is just like a regular button down from Target, but I wanted her to be like cute and more like form fitting, so I literally just like looped her around in my bra. Cleave moment going. These gold chunky hoops are also from Target. Target, sponsor your girl, because I love y'all. Like, my wardrobe is basically from Target. So I'm actually link everything in the description box. I'm gonna do better with description boxes. This is my toy brush bag that I'm gonna just wear out till I can't wear it no more. And I don't care. So if you're new here, I'm Haley. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, join the family. I will see y'all a little bit later. Bye.
I found the street with a house in which she stayed. I'm a diary's full of every name on every page. Cause I read to where you fall enough for me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm hating on my needs. It's so much that I need.
Yeah, she's giving the girls what the girls need to be given. Yeah, I feel so cute. Like she's giving rich man. That place we just left, 4 out of 10. Like the food was decent, but it just wasn't the vibes, one. And it's just a no for me. It was hey y'all, so another day, another vlog. So it is Memorial Day. This is my outfit, y'all. I've been eating the outfits up lately. So top is from Skims. I don't know where I got these sweats from, but got these sweats with my New Balance. These are the 515 New Balance. I just got the gray and white. I just wanted to go for like the all gray look. I thought it'd be real cute, and got on this denim ripped jacket from Forever 21. Earrings are from Target, and I have on my little go-to purse that I always wear because I love her. And I only have on this ring today, and that's it. See y'all in a little bit. Bye.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot.
So Grace, this was a success. Just invited us to 60 Vines, so we're going to 60 Vines. 8 minutes away, so we're waiting on the car now. And yeah, we'll see y'all when we get there. Mwah.
that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Move around at my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction.
You tomorrow, I'm asleep for decoration. Without you, a foundation.
This is my beautiful sister Haley. She is not single, okay? So don't hit her up, okay? Blue Dream, which is Blue Magic. We got a little CBD in it, lemon and ginger. We got a B12 shot, which has B12 and yerba mate. And we have a wheatgrass shot. Okay.
Hashtag health as well.